Primetime news this evening. Water bills going up this month as NWC is granted price increase. Desperation in one St. Elizabeth community as residents struggle to traverse their districts. And good news for farmers who will benefit from double-digit reduction in the price of fertilizer.
Good evening and thanks for joining us for Primetime News. We're live on air and online at onespotmedia.com. I'm Herman Green.
And I am Andrea Chisholm with a preview of what's to come in business news. Here's Javon Keys.
Well, Andrea, one mineral could wave the export flags high. That's limestone. It's being earmarked as an area that needs some more investment and could possibly boost our income from export. So the details a little later on.
All right, thanks. And from business, we go to sports. Spencer is here with a preview. Spencer?
Thank you very much, Herman. Well, the regulatory body has put some proactive measures in place following allegations of skullduggery at Caymanas Park. We'll tell you more in Primetime Sports later.
And with a preview of the weather report and forecast, here's Romaine Robinson.
Thank you, Andrea. We have an increase in showers across the island this weekend, and we are expecting an increase in showers across the island this weekend. But the strong winds that we have been experiencing are likely to be continuing into about Friday.
There's also sports commentary and E-Prime in this newscast. But before the break, the feedback question.
Our question this evening. What do you make of the decision to grant a price increase to the NWC?
Share comments online, facebook.com/Television Jamaica, and tweet us at TVJ News Center.
Please stay tuned. Primetime News returns after this break.